Hi guys, so today's video is an interesting one. I'm trying out LOOKIERO. I referred them on Instagram. I really like doing these style videos, so I figured two for the price of one, I'd get to try out this like style box that you get on a monthly basis, and I'd be able to tell you guys what it was like. For LOOKIERO you get a total of 5 items. You choose which day your box is going to arrive, which I think is really helpful. I've like ruined this. But it did come in like a carrier bag, which I felt was like a little bit unnecessary. Like the box came inside this bag. It's just additional plastic. Like I'm gonna try and recycle this, but if it's not recyclable then I don't think it was really necessary. I mean, it's coming in a box. It comes with all these cards to tell you which style it's gone with, and some of these clothes are so cute. If it wasn't for some of the prices, I would be keeping most of these. Let's get into the video. So the first item is this little black vest with this like scalloping edge. I don't really suit vests because I've got like bingo wings because I just don't work out enough, if at all. I don't think they've ever really suited my body shape. They're just kind of, because I've got big boobs as well, I feel like it just like really accentuates all the curves I just don't want accentuated. It's really soft, good material. It wasn't too expensive. It's $14.95 and this is from the brand Frequent. If you like the idea of this vest, then I think you can probably pick it up directly from them. It just really isn't for me. The second item that really isn't for me is this shirt. Like, I'm not really a pattern person. I prefer more basics recently. Like even tartan I don't wear that much of anymore. I used to love a tartan shirt, and I still love a tartan shirt on a guy. One of my favourite things. It just reminds me of one of those kind of shirts that you see people wear to the Bahamas or to Hawaii or something. Just a lot more garish. Like personally for me, this just isn't for me at all. But this is by Sew, S-E-W. This was £34.20. You do get charged for the styling fee and like the postage, I suppose, which I think is about £10 a month. And then you get charged for every item you keep. If you keep everything in the bag, you get a discount of 25%. So altogether my clothes are just under £160, so I get about £40 off if I were to keep all of these, but I'm not keeping all of this. The next item I was really tempted to keep because it really reminds me of MySpace. Really nice red top with this like heart. I really like this. I might have to see if this company called Itchy, I-C-H-I, has anything else similar to this. It's just ever so slightly too big. I can't wear these scoop necks. Unfortunately, it just doesn't, again, suit my body shape. And unfortunately, because of that, I am going to be sending it back. But this would have been, it wasn't expensive either. This was £15.99. I think that's pretty reasonable. Really soft material. I'm definitely going to see if I can buy something from this company because I really like the idea of them. The next one, which I was so tempted to keep, bright royal blue pleather moto jacket. The second I saw this and I saw it was a moto jacket, I was so tempted to keep this. I used to have a blue jacket very similar to this, but it wasn't like pleather, it was kind of like faux suede. So I was really tempted to keep this. But blue and my hair colour and my eye colour, I just don't wear blue clothes that often. Blue like jeans, sure, but blue tops and things like that, jackets, I just don't wear. As tempted as I was, if this was cheaper I might have thought of keeping it, but this is from the company Laura Joe, and this was £61.40, which is quite up there. Like, I can completely understand, but if you buy a pleather jacket from most places, it's going to be about £50 to £55. So it's understandable that this is £60. For something I'm just not going to wear that often, it just isn't worth the £60, unfortunately. The item I am keeping is by this brand called Miss Anna. These are a grey kind of jean style. Blue dark. I mean, they say it's blue dark, but I would definitely say this is a grey material. I have not taken these off since I put them on yesterday. I love these. I love skinny jean style trousers anyway. These are just really comfortable. They're a tiny bit too tight, but then I've gained like a tiny bit more weight Considering I really like the colour, I really like the quality. They aren't too stretchy. I like that these are actual jeans and I'm definitely keeping these. And those were £30.90. So to send them back, you have to go, you log on to LOOKIERO and you'll say which items you like and why you like them, why you're keeping them, and vice versa with the ones you don't particularly like, or if they're not the right fit or style or size, or if they're just way too expensive. All your details in there, and then you have up to 7 days to send all your items back. All you have to do is find your nearest Hermes point and you can send it back. So I'm going to be doing that very soon. What did you think of LOOKIERO? This is my first style box, so my next style box I'll see if I can do another video. We can see what it's like on the second turn, considering that now they've got an idea maybe of my price range and what I prefer. There's at least 3 items out of 5 that I really liked. My grey denim jacket, which is on my Instagram, which is rainy_day_reviews. This jacket I absolutely love, and it's so easy to pair with everything, and I got it for £25 at Camden Market. So that's just my personal opinion on this brand, but if you want to see another LOOKIERO review, then please leave a like and subscribe so that you don't miss out on that content. Which brand should I try next? I've got a ton of other brands I could try, like Nasty Girl, Misguided, New Look. I want to try and do maybe one a month and see what these brands are like. And I hope to see you all very, very soon in the next video. Bye!